Hi everyone, in this tutorial I would like to show you how you can create legal pages in Shopify. The legal pages are your returns policies, terms and conditions, refund policies, and shipping policies. So how do you go about adding them in Shopify? First, you have to be logged into your admin panel, then click on settings. From here, look for a legal section. And unless you have your own refund policies, privacy, terms of service, and shipping policies, you can generate some of them. For example, you just can click replace with template, replace, and Shopify pre-fills a refund policy with your email address, which you included in your Shopify, and all generic information. Same thing you can do for privacy policy and terms of services. But for shipping policy, you kind of have to create your own, explain which services you use to ship your products, how long it would take to have them delivered to your customers, and stuff like that. And if you like, you can make modifications, you can make changes, highlight things. And once it's all done, once you're ready, you can just simply press save. And shipping legal policies are already created. So right now you can add them to your website, and most individuals and stores, they just add them to the footer section. So to add them to the footer section, you have to go to online store, click on navigation, then click on footer menu and add menu. Let's see, let's call it privacy policy. Then you have to click on link and look for policies, and then click on privacy policy, add. So, and you can do the same thing for the other 3 or 4 you have. And then once it's all done, click on save and give it about 20 to 30 seconds to refresh. And the policies that you've added, they should show up after refresh. They should show up on your websites at the very bottom over here. Let's wait a bit more. Here you go. Privacy policy is ready. So I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching. And please, if you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks.